Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. And as you could tell from the thumbnail, we did finish a challenge. So we are going to put this into the 2025 challenge. And we're going to get started. I did condense the ones down in here. And I didn't want it to get too bulky, so when I put in the ones, later on I go and condense it, change it out. That way it's not so, the envelope won't be so big. But we are going to get started with this. I'm going to bring you right here. I'm having a little trouble. My desk is a slick wood, and it's wanting to slide, and I'm trying to figure out how to keep it from sliding. Okay, I think I got it. Alrighty, so let me find a few of these cute little gel pens that I got, and we're just going to cover them in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up here and do a 10 right there. Just color this little spot right here in. Happy Friday. It's the weekend. If you're off on the weekends, congratulations. If you have to work on the weekends, I'm sorry. The older you get, the weekends don't matter no more. But I know you youngins out there would really love to have weekends off. So, we got this one right here, kind of colored in a little bit. We got that 10. And then we'll come over here and do a 5. My cats are playing in the background. If y'all can hear them, I'm sorry. They had their treats this morning, and they're kind of jacked up on Temptations treats. We got that one, and then we will find a 1 over here, and we'll try to knock out this row of 1s. I'm so glad that I have been able to get into the position where I can save money again. It has been a rough 2024, and I'm looking forward for 2025 to roll in. Hopefully, I will be able to save all this and show you guys you can do it. It might take you a little bit, but you can do it. So I will take this and add it. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16. So today's date is, what is today? Oh, today is Friday the 13th. I know a lot of people think the 13th is kindly a bad day. The 13th has always been a good day for me. So now we have 38 in this, and we will count it. So we've got 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Wait a minute. I gotta fix this. Okay, there we go. 38. Miss Blossom, if you can hear her, she gets really, really mad at Luna. And she's over fussing at her right now. Okay, so what are we going to do now? I think what I'm going to do... Oh, the change, guys, that my husband brought in. I put a picture on Instagram. If you saw it, all the change that he brought in was all the yellow that you see is what I colored in from his change from November and then December. And I think it was a total of like, oh gosh, I forgot to write the total down. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it was over $60 and change that he brought in his stash. So we did finish out November's challenge, and we're still working on December. So hopefully we can do December's also. Finish December's. If you're interested in this challenge is on my Ko-Fi, and it's free. You can either, give me $1 for it, or it's totally free. It's just up on my Ko-Fi. And it goes from January. It don't have no years on it. It just goes January through December. Okay, so we'll put this one over to the side. And then I'm going to bring out this little beauty here. My little savings challenge. Wait a minute, let me get my money out. See how much we are going to save it to this week, or today. So we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We have $27 that we're going to work with, and we're going to see what we can do. This right here, I am going to, I'm going to take this, and I am just going to mark it and write finish challenge. And then we'll just start down here for a new one. Okay, so we'll have to pick us out one. And to be honest with you guys, I do not know what I've done with them. Never mind. I think I just found them. All of these are little challenges that I've gotten over the years. Some that I made, some that I bought, some that has been given to me. So I will go in here. I'd like to finish out some of these smaller ones, like this one back here. I think this is the one that I'll put in there. That cute little Hello Kitty. The cat, the pig, the bear, and the rabbit. I think I'll put that one in with this one. Okay, let's quit jumbling here. Let me go back here to this little empty envelope. And this one will go for the 2025 challenge. And what I'm doing with these guys is I'm just going to be rolling the dice and adding money to it. Let me see where I can put this. I know my desk is a little cockeyed. You can tell by the lines running through it. It is a little, let me see here. Let me fix the camera to make it look, there we go. It looks a little bit better. I'm just a little crooked today. So I got to get me a drink of coffee because, of course I was on steroids and antibiotics for the poison ivy and cellulitis that I got. Now I've got thrush, and I mysteriously ended up with another rash on my face. We're really not for sure what it is. We don't know if it's like winter eczema or if it's my nerves, because the last 2 nights I have had like a really bad nerve knot and my face breaks out. I mean, it's horrible. It's just like, it's awful. I just thought I had poison ivy again, but it don't itch. A few spots itch, but it's just like a bunch of little baby bumps pops up on my face. So I don't know what it is. When I was little, my mother used to call me a freak of nature, because if it could happen, it happened. So, but anyway, we're going to get started with this. And what am I looking for? Oh, my coffee. coffee to get me a drink because I am talking a lot. And I just wanted everybody to know that I got over my little spell where I got aggravated and I was just going to take a break from YouTube because, of what happened with my Amazon wish list. That's fine. I'm over it. I do not have an Amazon wish list. I do have a private one for myself. That way nobody can go in and change it or be mean. And, it really bothered me because I don't think I've done anything to anybody to make them mad. And I just couldn't understand why someone had went on there and just totally messed it up. Because everything I had on my wish list that I had put on there myself to find for later is gone. It was like it was in reserve, and it's gone. The one item I wanted that I had that I was saving for is no longer in stock, and they don't know when they're going to get any. But that's fine. I'm okay with it. I'll find something different. And I thought, yeah, okay. Enough of that, guys. So what I am going to do is get a dice. The very first one I want to do is this one back here for Starlink. And it's this one right here. It's the roll the dice. Wherever you roll, you double. Of course, y'all know last time I rolled and it was a 6, so I had to put in 12. Let's see if we can put it over here. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. This one is going to take all my money, which is good because by the first of the year, I really want to get away from Xfinity, Comcast, and Starlink is the way I'm going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 12. So there's 5, 10, 11, 12. That way this one will get done quicker. Let me make sure. Yep. Okay. I'm going to slide that back in there. And then I'll just put 12 on here. And that is 48. 12, 13. Another 12. No, it's 46. Sorry. I was off by 2. That's okay. My math don't count anyway. I have my own math. I don't have the standardized math. I have my own math. So there's that one. Let's go back this way, guys. So we are going to start with this one. Now, I think this dice is loaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't like this dice. It's going to take all my money really quick. Okay, so I'll just put in 6 here. Then I'll put 6. And we have 27. Let me put down the date. 12, 13, 24. Man, the all December's almost over with. I just realized that. So now we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yep. I like these little cute challenges. And what I have decided, like for homestead supplies, I want to try to have $400 saved up. I think it was $400 saved up, and by spring, and then that way, I'm sorry, then, when I go to get my chickens and stuff, I'll have enough for the chickens to feed and everything else that's in there. Okay, guys, let me bring you down to, well, I'll put that upside down. It's okay, I'm upside down anyway. So the next one we are going to, and this one is also for homestead supplies. we are going to roll, please. Oh, a 1. Okay. So we're going to add a 1 to this one. All of it's going in the same thing. It's just, I'm trying to, use up these little savings challenges and stuff. So I think it's just fun to roll the dice and figure out what you can save every time. So there's that one. Now, let's see, for the little birdie, this one is from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Company. I love Miss Lisa. She's such a wonderful person. I love her channel. And we will, let's roll the dice for this one. And I have a 5, so I will color in a 5 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll add the 5 here. So this one we should have 55 in it so far. So let's see what we got. 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So we do have 55 in this one. Not bad, not bad. I think this one is going to go towards Starlink. So, Miss Blossom's up here with me today. She's piddling around. This one right here, guys, I think we're just going to start it off. And the last $3 that we got, we are just going to put it in here. I think it was 3. Yep, 1, 2, and 3. So we're just going to do these 3 here. So there's 1, 2, 3. Miss Blossom, what are you doing? So 1, 2, 3 has gone into that one. And this one will go into the 2025 Savings Challenge. So hopefully we'll get it all done. 12, 13. We add 3. And we're started off with 3. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Remember, you do what you can with what you got, as Amanda always says. Bless your heart. And I'll just slip that right in there. You do what you can with what you got. And remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. When you think life is throwing you a bad hand, shuffle your deck. Because that's what I had to do. I had to shuffle my deck, get my priorities straight, and now you see I'm able to start saving some money. It's a little bit at a time, but that's all that matters. If it's change, dollars, 20s, save what you can, and it adds up in the end. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you all in the next video. Hopefully it won't be a savings challenge. It might be a vlog of what, a more in-depth talk about what had been going on. So I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you're new here, thank you so much for coming. And if you're an oldie, thank you so much for staying with me, guys. Your love and support is just so amazing. Bye, guys.